If you purchase a 2025 vehicle from Ford, stick to the end of the video. There's a huge recall that involves around 312,000 vehicles, most of them being the F-150. The NHTSA has released a campaign number 25V488, and it corresponds to Ford's recall 25S77. Now, if you guys are enjoying the content, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Share the videos out. It really helps the channel grow. All right, boys and girls, so let's get into it. So there's a lot of vehicles affected in this major recall. Now, it goes all the way up to 2025, but it starts from vehicles of 2023. Now, let's talk about what that recall is. I'm going to be popping up the NHTSA paper here that shows you the recall. And it says that the defect, description, and safety risk, the EBB, they call it the EBB module, can unexpectedly enter a faulty state, especially during driving conditions. Now, when the ADA's feature are in use, also it leads to a temporary loss to power on the brake assist. This malfunction increases the brake pedal travel and stopping distance, meaning the brake pedal literally will go all the way to the floor, kind of like if you had air on the system, almost to get in the vehicle to not even stopping. Now, it elevates the crash risk, of course. Now, the active warning via ABS, ESC indicator light, audible alerts, and instrument cluster messages inform the driver at the time of failure. Now, the causes for that is that periodic but infrequent voltage disturbance can trigger current surges that exceeds the module over current threshold, causing the EBB motor to shut down. Now, the module remains offline until the full ignition is cycled and reset. Now, that means that if you're driving and this pretty much faulties out, you're going to have to pull over, turn off the vehicle, and turn it back on. Now, it gets pretty serious because there's been 37 warranty claims already related to this issue, even one high speed and low speed incident that happened. Now, the remedy for this, thank God, is a software upgrade of the EBB module. Now, deliver over the air starting August 2025 via Ford authorized, sorry, I can't read this, it's very small letters, or via Ford authorized dealers and Lincoln dealers if OTA isn't available. Now, for the vehicles that are involved, and this is where it gets hot, it's the Lincoln Navigator. I'm going to pop up the graph. 2023 to 2025, 7,000 vehicles. For Ranger, 24 to 25, 20,000 vehicles. For Bronco, 24 to 25, 39,000 vehicles. Ford Expedition, 23 to 25, 26,000 vehicles. And F-150, 24 to 25, 217,000 vehicles. The major one affected is the F-150. Now, it is insane because Ford is having a horrible year when it comes to recalls. They have had over 1 million vehicles in recalls. Now, the one that's mostly affected is the F-150, but if you own one of these vehicles, go into the NHTSA website, contact your Ford dealer, have them look up your VIN, because this is a failure when it comes to the ABS, which is the EBB module. And what it does is that it's going to lead to your pedal pretty much going on the floor, causing you not to brake. And it's already been reported 37 warranty claims, 2 accidents already, and it is insane. Now dealers are starting to notify people. They're starting to send out text messages or getting a call. Now, if you own one of these vehicles, I suggest you get in contact with your dealer, most likely tomorrow or by the time you see this video, if it's daytime, and haven't scheduled either the appointment or talk to them and see when that software upgrade is coming up. Nonetheless, 312,000 vehicles affected on this new NHTSA recall, mostly the F-150, Navigator, Ranger, Bronco, Expedition, but the biggest one, it's F-150 with 312,000 vehicles. If you guys are enjoying the content, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.